Hello, everyone. Welcome to Police vs. Wild Animals. Bodycam captures everything. These are authentic, real-life moments where police officers handle wild animals causing chaos, all captured in gripping and exciting footage. Police chase a chubby pig running wild and causing chaos across city streets.
Trying to get him out of the road so he can run over.
Police bodycam footage shows an officer rescuing a turtle from a busy traffic road.
It's gone. It's gone.
Maybe.
Police bodycam footage captures the pursuit of an escaped lemur before it is safely subdued with help from local residents.
Nice.
Police bodycam footage captures a dolphin rescue after it becomes trapped in a fishing net in Florida.
Woo! Gotcha.
Footage shows Montgomery County rescue teams saving a horse that fell into a swimming pool. Ramapo police successfully rescue a kitten in distress.
Get him. You're no cowboy. He's like, I'm tired. Scared and tired.
Lewiston police rescue cattle from a burning barn. Las Vegas officers carry out a delicate rescue operation to free a cat trapped in a confined space. Police pursue a kangaroo running out of control in an airport parking lot.
Got here.
Wisconsin police confront and handle a wild turkey that wandered into an apartment.
Oh my God. Got him. There you go.
Footage shows police rescuing a pig by the roadside, recorded by the Ohio State Highway Patrol via Storyful.
Got him.
Police rescue a drowning kangaroo in Australia. Police officers knock on the door of the UK Prime Minister's residence to bring a cat inside for shelter from the rain. In Lake Tahoe, a police officer encounters a large bear wandering in front of stores late at night and calmly persuades it to leave peacefully. Officers successfully rescue a dog that was labeled as aggressive and bring it to safety. A brave police officer subdues a massive alligator in the middle of a Florida street. Bodycam footage captures an emergency rescue where police and volunteers evacuate dozens of dogs and cats from an animal shelter threatened by California wildfires. A stubborn pig leads officers on a chaotic chase through residential neighborhoods in Tacoma. A police officer in Lexington successfully rescues a deer trapped in a swimming pool. In Texas, a police officer attempts to capture a runaway cow in a park, but is forced to retreat when it suddenly charges toward him. The Ohio sheriff successfully rescues a deer trapped in a fence. loose cow on a Los Angeles highway brings traffic to a complete standstill, creating an unbelievable scene in heavy traffic. Thank you for watching Police vs. Wild Animals. Chachiku Bodycam Captures. Everything, which moment was the most intense in your opinion? Don't forget to comment and let us know which animals you'd like to see next.
There we go.